I'm Tony with Waterway Plastics, and today we're going to discuss how to configure the OASIS pool controller. Before we begin, please be advised wiring the OASIS can be dangerous. The system uses 240 volt, 110 volt, and low voltage connections. Any work connecting the system should only be done by a qualified electrician. All incoming power should be turned off at the circuit breakers before adjusting connections on the system. The first thing we need to do before configuring an OASIS pool controller is identify what devices are connected and where. I see that our qualified electrician has installed a 1-speed filter pump, spa pump, cleaner, LED pool light, and on-off spa light. Since pump 1 is 1 speed, the other relays will be labeled aux1, aux2, aux3, and aux4. First, we need to enter installer setup. Enter installer setup by pressing Menu, selecting installer setup, then press Menu, then up, then down to enter installer setup. Press right at Assign Output. By default, filter pump is set to 1 speed. If you press right, you can use the up and down buttons to change the filter pump to 2 speed or variable speed. Right now, we only have a 1-speed pump, so we'll leave it as is. Just below filter pump is J1 intake, J2 return, J3 solar, and J4 option. This is where you would set your actuators. Typically, J1 intake is set to intake, and J2 return is set to return for a pool and spa combo. Right now, we only have a pool, so we're not going to set these. Since we don't need to change anything, we'll use the down button to go down to aux1 and begin assigning devices. With aux1 highlighted, press the right button and use the up and down arrows to select the device connected to that relay. For our specific installation, aux1 is going to be spa pump. So we'll press down 5 times to select spa pump. Press right allows us to assign the device. If we wanted to set the device to a specific mode, like pool or spa, we could do that here. But since we only have pool and we want the pump to be able to run by itself, we'll leave it at none. We'll press right again, and the system will cycle us automatically down to aux2. We'll press right to not use, and we'll select cleaner. In this specific scenario, we'll press down 19 times. There's quite a list of options for devices on the OASIS. We'll press right again to go to assign device, and we'll press right to go to aux3. We'll press right one more time to go down to not used. We'll press up 1 time and we'll be able to select pool light. Now if you press right, you'll be able to select the specific type of pool light. For our installation, an LED pool light, specifically IntelliBrite, we'll press down to IntelliBrite and then press right again to go to aux4. We'll press right to go to not used and press up twice to go to spa light. If you press right, you'll go to the next screen and on-off is selected. Our spa light is on-off, so we'll press right and we'll be at aux5. Since we have no other devices to configure, we'll go all the way to the top to highlight filter pump and then press the left arrow. The unit will freeze and reset, applying the new settings. Now we'll be able to see that button 1 has spa pump, button 2 has cleaner, button 3 has pool light, and button 4 has spa light. Additionally, button 5 has all lights. If a remote panel is desired, it can be plugged into P2 on the board. The main panel should be connected to P1. Each item can be controlled manually with their button, 1, 2, 3, or 4. The pump can be controlled with P/S mode. This will typically cycle between pool, spa, or spillover. In our system, since we only have pool, it will cycle between pull and pull off. I know that was a lot, but it's not impossible. I like to say the OASIS has a steep but short learning curve. For additional options, like variable speed pumps and timers, please look at our other videos. If you have questions, you're welcome to call Waterway Plastics at 805-981-0262, or you can email us at waterway@waterwayplastics.com.